enough wrong for y'all to click the video and not get any car content besides me taking wheels and tires to the shop. So, and 3, 2. This thing goes getting dumb, bro. I love this car, but I'm ready to take the next journey in my life. It's time. We've had it for 2 years, so we got to keep leveling up to level up in life, and you can't stay in the same place and get comfortable. The wine goes stupid. We got to look into a little mid-entry car to the next step of life and the next step of this YouTube channel. Midas coming in clutch. Should be back throwing these wheels on a lot faster than I thought. Probably sounds a lot better inside than it does from outside. I know everybody I get up next to, or anybody says like, that's the loudest car ever. It doesn't even have headers, and this is like by far the loudest car I've ever had. Pulling back in Midas already. The quickie wheel service. I'm just kind of trying to figure out what it would sound like with long tubes on it. It's already spitting little flames like wide open, but if you are in like the Spartanburg, South Carolina somewhat area and you tune Hellcats, let me know. Weldy back, 2 weldies. A little bit of wear on the slightly used one, but I don't know, we'll figure out how this goes. Big boy impact. Just barely tap it, you know, or you're gonna end up like me. 1 successfully done. 2. 3 for 3. It's usually not loosening that causes the problem. It's tightening them back up, so. Just don't over tighten them. I did this to get my lug nut out.
That's what it was.
That's what she was.
I'm getting tired, boy. You gotta get them sticky though.
I had a flat, so I had to.
You got 1 tire, dude?
It popped, so I had to buy a whole
1 tire, dude. Buy 2.
Cause this has only been on there for a month.
Okay. You got a month left on it.
No, these shits are like $400 a pop. Cause I'm not buying
them. Cause that's like half a car for you.
What do you mean? Oh, I'm broke. That looks a little bit better, don't it? To be alive definitely looks a lot better, bro. We've got both of the backs on. Y'all can see a little bit, and we got the other side done already. All we got left, take the last front wheel off. Everything went smooth so far. We like when everything goes smooth. I learned from my mistakes, so I'm a little bit more careful now. But whenever I first started doing this, it was like my first car pretty much kind of done myself, besides with like help from people at work, and I've messed stuff up, had to get stuff fixed, and that's how you learn, is from your mistakes. If you don't learn from your mistakes, you never learn and you never get better. But now I know not to cram this thing tight, you know? Coming off. We got the last wheel going on. There we go. The car wasn't jacked up enough, bro. Once we drop the car back down, we'll check it and make sure everything's torqued down to the right spec. I'd be like the weird person to throw welds on like an Aventador just because you like don't see it. And people like either hate the look or love the look. And I honestly thought they were like so ugly for the longest, and then You just like wake up one day and you love them. I'm gonna put welds on everything. If I had a Bugatti Chiron, welds are the first thing going on it for no reason. It'd just be fire. This is the moment I've been waiting for. Y'all maybe not, but. So much better with the welds. Gosh, man. So much better with the welds. Them boys are just ugly. Gosh. Heat. Our new tire, we'll figure out. About to go on a little drive once we torque it all down and make sure it drives well. Gosh. It's good to be back. We got the Hellcat wheels all cleaned up. Did not clean the calipers. We don't got time like that. Or I don't feel like making time like that. But let's pull up the garage and get out of here. Time to go home. Low-key about forgot about y'all. I about left the camera here recording all night. Finally out, and not a better view than that. Unless it was the Aventador or something extra crazy like that, but the Hellcat is at its best right now. Let's throw the book bag in the car. She's loud as always, sounded good. Almost like it's canned, right? Does sound amazing as always. Let's jump in it and let's see if these tires end up driving well. One old, one new. And steering wheel, driving straight without driving. So it should be good. We'll figure out once we get to highway speeds. I don't know. We'll have to get a pull and see if like one tire sticks, one spins. I don't know. We'll find out. The famous tunnel. We didn't get the tunnel. Too much traffic. Alright, highway speed. No shaking. No shaking. Traffic. Oh, what is that? Oh, cracking flames on flat. I'm just kidding. We should be good so far. 80 miles an hour. That's about all we go over. So, or all we get up to. So it's driving pretty good. The Hellcat is back, baby. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlogs coming. New change coming to my YouTube channel. Big, better content. So y'all stay excited. Y'all stay posted and enjoy the next episodes coming. Back-to-back bangers of exotics. No more domestics. I wish I could get exotics only for y'all. That's my plan. So y'all stay tuned, man. Bailey Wise, and I'm out.